$300. Hand it to a dealership and you get one diagnostic session, one car, one visit, one printout. Or you keep the $300 and you get this: the iCarzone UR800. Full system diagnostics, bidirectional control, OE-level coding on 8 major brands, 50 service functions, the same core engine as our flagship in a tool that fits in your hand. And like every iCarzone tool, no subscription fees. Not this year, not ever. Let's put it to work. Package includes UR800 scanner, OBD216 pin cable, USB-C cord, multi-language guide, and sturdy storage case. Powered by quad-core Android, it features a 5-inch touchscreen and 64GB built-in storage with software for all 58 vehicle brands. Weighing only 320 grams, it fits easily in pockets or tool drawers. Drop and temperature resistant, operating stably from sub-zero to 50 degrees Celsius for unregulated workshop environments. Connection is as simple as it gets. The cable clicks into the OBD2 port. The car itself powers the unit 9 to 18 volts straight from the vehicle, so the battery is just a backup, and you never watch a charge bar in the middle of a job. No pairing, no dropouts, no dead spots under the hood. Then AutoVin reads the vehicle's identity straight from the ECU and loads the right software. Watch the timer plugged in and identified in seconds. The foundation first, a full system scan. The UR800 sweeps every control module on the car: engine, transmission, ABS, airbags, and beyond, and returns a color-coded health report of the whole vehicle. Dive into any module, read and clear fault codes, pull the freeze frame to see exactly what the sensors recorded the moment the fault was set, and stream live data. Multiple parameters graphed in real time, so you watch what the engine is actually doing instead of guessing. Every scan can be saved as a report, shared with the customer, or printed for the file. Bidirectional control is a premium feature rarely seen under $299. Unlike basic code readers that only pull vehicle data, this 5-inch tool lets you actively command car modules, test windows, mirrors, door locks, fuel pumps, and more directly on screen. If a component responds to your command, the hardware itself works. Any fault lies in wiring or control modules. This true diagnostic capability sets the UR800 apart from cheap code scanners. And here's the one nobody expects at this price: OE-grade ECU coding on 8 major brands: BMW, the Volkswagen Audi Group, Hyundai and Kia, Ford, Mazda, Renault, Chrysler, Jeep Dodge, and Subaru. Enable features the factory left switched off. Adapter replacement module so the car accepts it. Personalized behavior the way a dealer would, without the dealer invoice. One setting changed on this screen and the car behaves differently. At $299, that's not common. That's the point. For the day-to-day work that actually fills a calendar, the UR800 carries 50 service functions, 9 everyday maintenance resets, plus 41 advanced procedures, oil service reset, electronic parking brake release for rear pad jobs, throttle relearn, battery registration, one menu straight to the function, no forum workarounds required. Here's the range that makes one tool cover a whole driveway. On the old end, the UR800 still speaks flash codes and K-line, the languages of the 90s. On the new end, CANFD is built in, with direct access to 2020 and newer GM and Chrysler models, no add-on adapter required. In between, 58 brands across Europe, America, and Asia, every one of the 10 OBD2 modes, and an interface in 15 languages. From a 90s project car to the new truck in the driveway, one tool, one cable. Speaking of older metal, optional adapters take the UR800 further back still. A 20-pin adapter for pre-2001 BMWs like the E30 and E36. A 38-pin adapter for pre-2003 Mercedes like the W202, W210, and W140, and a 14-pin adapter for 1995 to 2006 Sprinters. Sold separately. There when the classic in your garage needs a conversation. Now the iCarzone signature move. Most diagnostic tools hook you with a subscription, a decent price up front, then hundreds every year to keep it alive. The UR800's update policy fits on one line: lifetime free updates over Wi-Fi. Year 1, 0. Year 3, 0. Year 10, still 0. New protocols, new coverage, new functions. Free for as long as you own it. Pay once, upgrade forever. On a $300 tool, that math is almost unfair. That's the iCarzone UR800, dealer-level diagnostics, pocket-sized, without the dealer-level price. Link and full specs below. If this just saved you a diagnostic fee, pay it forward with a like and a subscribe. And I'll see you under the next hood. Your car, your zone. iCarzone, www.icarzone.com.